Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen PC. We'll start by powering on your device and navigating the initial setup. You'll learn to identify key interface elements, like the taskbar and start menu, and how to access basic applications. We'll also cover personalizing your desktop background and sound settings, ensuring your Zen PC feels just right from the very first moment you begin using it. To get the most out of your Zen PC, optimizing performance is key. We'll explore how to use the built-in system monitor to track resource usage, like CPU and memory. Discover how adjusting power plans can significantly impact battery life or processing speed. Plus, learn to close unnecessary background apps, freeing up valuable resources for your primary tasks, ensuring smooth operation. Protecting your data is paramount. We'll guide you through setting up regular backups, perhaps to an external drive or cloud service, to safeguard your important files. Understand how to enable robust security features, including two-factor authentication and firewall settings, to defend against digital threats. We'll also touch upon basic data encryption, adding an extra layer of privacy for sensitive information on your Zen PC. Beyond the basics, your Zen PC offers advanced customization. We'll delve into system utilities that allow fine-tuning of hardware and software. Learn simple troubleshooting steps for common issues, like network connectivity problems or unresponsive applications, saving you time and frustration. Finally, discover where to find community forums and official support channels for deeper insights and assistance, ensuring you're never alone with your Zen PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.